Get ready for double row, pearls, clasp, buckle, crimp beads, steel wire. Thread the wire back through the pressure crimp bead. The other end of one side synchronizes the previous step. Next, thread the pearls. Rotate the pliers 90 degrees with force on one side. Synchronize the previous step on the other side. Below is the twisted double row. Next, thread the twisted double row and pearls onto the steel wire. Next, thread it through the 4-leaf flower through hole for decoration. Continue threading the pearls and the twisted double row. Finally, insert and connect the pressure crimp bead to the tail end of the buckle. Repeat the previous step on the other side of the dot tail end to synchronize both sides. Cut off the excess steel wire. Thanks for watching.